And now we're gonna go to Excel, then new, then we're gonna take the page and it's empty. Okay, and first thing we're gonna do, first thing, hi. Today we're gonna do, you're gonna write and you're gonna send a message in Excel to the WhatsApp, okay? And it's so beautiful and it's so easy. And of course, you're gonna learn it with me and you're gonna enjoy so much with me. And how we're gonna save it, we press File, Save, Browse. Then we're gonna press Desktop. Then down we're gonna put Excel. We press it, and then next choice. We press it. Then we name book 3 or as you like here in file name. Okay. Then we're gonna make it more bigger. Then we put on A, we're gonna put contact. Okay, we put contact. Then in B, we're gonna put first thing in B, message. Now we have contact and message. And here I'm gonna put this one. Then here you have to make it right. Check it's blue. Then you press OK. And then you have it here. But you have to select it first. After that you press OK. And now I'm gonna make B more bigger because it's gonna be a message. It's not gonna be one word. So I'm gonna just take it a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit more space. And here I'm gonna write my contact, and in message I'm gonna write the message that I wanna send it to this contact. And here I'm gonna write the numbers. Here is all of the numbers that I'm gonna write it. Okay, and you're gonna just need contact and message only to write the number. And if it's your number, starting with the code for your number, 099, just you're gonna write 99 without the zeros. Okay, but the numbers you have to write the zeros. It's okay. And as you can see, it's like that. And these are the contacts. This is one contact only. I'm gonna write a message in English and in Arabic, and here we press this, then it's gonna be more bigger. And here as you can see the number, it came so perfect. And here we're gonna make it a little bit more smaller. It became like that. You're gonna press the number or leave it like that. If you make it more bigger, it's gonna be the number. The number is gonna come. So I'm gonna make it more bigger and more bigger, and it came. Okay, and here if you want to make it more smaller, and it did not go, and so I'm gonna leave it like this. And now here I'm gonna write the message that I want to send it to this contact. Okay, here I'm gonna write thank for you, sir. Okay. And now I'm gonna I can go to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or any number I wanna record. And here I wrote the contact and messages in Arabic and in English. Thank you, sir. It's in English, and these two is in Arabic. Okay. And I sent a message, and you can send anything as you like not only these that I wrote. You can write anything as you like, and like save it as you like. Okay, then here I'm gonna select it, all of it. Then I'm gonna press this. Okay, then I have these. Like these, it's came here. Then I'm gonna press on this one. Then here I'm gonna write okay, here I'm gonna write as you like. You can write, or I'm gonna write something here, and you can't write it. Like you can write anything as you like. And let's see the video and see what is gonna happen in the video. You can see and do as that video. Okay, and here we have it, and it's good here. Okay, and I have all of the messages and everything. And after that, we're gonna like press here on this word. After that, we're gonna press these small lines. Then we press more. Then we press this one. After that, we press this one, or like this word. Then I have to like wait. I'm gonna press in this word. Then I'm gonna press this. And that was a short advertisement, and let's start.